afternoon, and thank you so much for coming back for yet another DIY. I'm here with Tina again, my sister-in-law, and we are going to be making a beautiful spring table decor piece that you are going to totally love. And keep watching because it can be yours. We're going to do a drawing and give it away. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we have these from the Dollar Tree. We got everything at the Dollar Tree again except for Tina.
Yeah, from the Dollar General.
And me, we not come from the Dollar Tree. But these are candle holders that you get at the $1.25 tree now. We're in 2022. It's $1.25. So that's a whole nother story. Right. The first thing we're going to do is put some glitter on these and bling them out, okay? So okay, so there we are. We have the top rim painted the purple. Look how shiny it looks in there. Oh, that's so cool. It's so
a nice
pretty.
Martini glass.
Ooh, look. And then here's the bottom of the other one. Okay. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is, Tina, the next thing we're going to do.
Okay, we were doing purple inside of these, and then these were silver.
Mm-hmm.
So
we have the bigger pieces of the silver glitter that we were going to put in the bottom of the base to give it that mirror-y, shiny, pretty look.
So you want to put glue in there and then maybe dump this.
Yeah, I will. I'll dump it. This is the bottom. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so that part is done. That is so beautiful. We just made kaleidoscopes, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. All right, so we're going to let these glues dry and let everything dry, and then we're going to do the next step.
She also found these and incorporated this into the project.
And we got them at the Dollar Tree.
Took one strip, wrapped it around,
Let me do a
dressed it up very nicely.
Look how that turned out around the rim. This is the top part. See that? It's going to look really cool. And we just use these. Okay. All right, so that is that part. Now the next thing we're going to do is, while we're waiting for the glue to dry, the Mod Podge, most of it's dry, but some of it's still got to dry. We're going to take this, we got at the Dollar Tree as well. It was hanging up. It had some little rope thing hanging on it to hang like that. We're going to use this as a base for our beautiful spring centerpiece. Now, this is one of those, it's a battery pack and it got lights. See that? We're going to use this around this. You'll see. But the first thing we're going to do is turn it where you have to change the batteries. It's going to go underneath. So we're going to put this under here, string it through the hole that it was hanging on. Put it right here like that. See? Right in the middle. And this is where you change the batteries. So we're going to put a little bit of hot glue on it and glue it to the bottom of this.
Do we want to put it on?
Wherever. Just a little line. That should hold it. Stick it on. There you go. Let that dry, and then we'll show you what to do next. Okay, so after that wonderful lunch from my brother, thank you, Marky, we're gonna finish this.
Can I just interject here with look at the sparkle design around the candle? Mm-hmm. That is this.
Yeah, look at that.
You see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that neat?
That is super neat.
I know you all probably can't see that.
Yeah, but maybe if you turn it on, it might even look different.
You're a genius. You are a flippin' genius, girl.
That looks really cute.
It's a little crooked. I'm just a crooked chick, but
It
I
looks
like it.
a little bit different in there than it does in real life. But anyhow, we glued the battery pack to the bottom of the cloud that we got at the Dollar Tree. And in where they had it hanging up with a rope is where we fished through the wire. So this is going to be our base. Now the next thing you want to do is this one here is the top. This is the bottom. That's what we're going to do next. Or do we want to put the
well, you need something to work around.
On?
Don't you think that should be on first so you know what room you have?
Okay, so yeah, then we'll glue this on. This is the bottom one because we did the rim up. Like that. It's gonna be so cool, right? What a beautiful centerpiece. We're not done yet. So the next thing we're going to do, should we put the top on there?
Or maybe wait so it's not in the way for
That's what I was thinking.
doing.
Yep, so we got these beautiful flowers at the Dollar Tree as well. Aw, that one little fell out. That's okay, we're gonna take them off.
Pop them off.
Right? So what we were gonna do is just take these off. They pull right off. See, just like that. Just pull some off because we're gonna use them on.
Don't
Just
throw
get
them out
those out
because
the
they
way.
could be used maybe for something later.
Yeah. So these are all the beautiful buds that we have that we're going to hot glue on the bottom of this tray. So let's get that hot glue going. Look, this is what I'm talking about. This would even make a nice wedding centerpiece, you guys.
Pick your colors to match your theme.
Definitely. And everything was from the Dollar Tree, the $1.25.
And that is the most important part.
Yes. All right, so we are done with
now
these
it's
beautiful.
glue these top and bottom.
Okay. Now, before we do that, though, should we put this on the rim? That might be easier to work with. Okay. So this is something new that I seen at the Dollar Tree. It's burlap be metal. It's just really pretty. Let me show you up close. And we're gonna use that just for a rim around here, just to fancy it up. So it's bendable. It's really pretty. I like it. It's like a pewter color.
It's a thin metal.
Yeah. So we were just gonna put it around this spot.
And let's see if this.
Let's cut it. That looks so cute. Look how cute. That is really cute. Okay, so now after we did that, we are going to put this on here. Now what you got?
The shavings from the cake.
Oh goodness. Wow, look what he brings us. Shavings from chocolate cake that he made Tina for her birthday.
Louis.
Is it? Wow.
It's definitely chocolate.
Girl, I need another piece.
Yes, we do. Well, it's
Yummy. Sorry, excuse us. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Can you imagine it with peanut butter icing that he's making?
It really cringes me in here.
Making you salivate. Salivate.
Oh my goodness.
Salivate.
Spit it out. Get it. See where I went.
All right, so now we have this cute, gorgeous butterfly that we got from the Dollar Tree as well that we're going to put in here. And we're just going to hot glue it right here where that line is that we connected the thing. What do you think?
Should we glue it from that?
Yeah. That's so cute. Look how cute that looks. Look, this is so cute. All right, now we're going to take the lighting that we had and just wrap it around. Nice. And the final touch
is setting it in there.
Good. So you want to turn it on?
I do. I thought at first you wanted me to glue it in there and that wouldn't.
No, we're just gonna. And then you want to hit that switch into it. Oh, it's over here. Wow. Look. Look how cute. Yeah, she's going to turn off the light so you can really see. This is really cute. I love it. Look at that beautiful creation that we made here at Tiffany's Creation from Dollar Tree Products. And it can be yours. Right, Tina?
Yes, ma'am.
We are going to give this away. We're going to have a drawing. And we will wait, what, we'll give them 2 weeks? 2 weeks? What's the date? So we'll do it on tax day. Isn't it April 15th tax day?
It'd be nice to have a gift on tax day.
On April 15th, we'll do a drawing. Sometime during the afternoon, 12-ish. And, because I don't know if I have any plans on that day. But in the comments down below, after you subscribe and like our video, put springtime in the comments and we will enter you into the drawing. How about that? Put springtime, we'll enter you into the drawing, and then we'll have the drawing, and good luck to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy how this turned out. This is very cute. Very cute centerpiece. You can use it springtime scent. You put it out on your patio or whatever. A wedding centerpiece. But anyway, it could be yours. What do you think?
Absolutely. I'm entering.
Yep, very nice. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Come back again and see us do more videos. And don't forget to enter in that contest. and put springtime in the comments. Thank you. Bye.
Are you guys done?